Hey, I'm Andrew with Ventrac, and today we're going to tackle a really common question that snow contractors always ask us, whether they should be using brine or rock salt on sidewalks. The first question I always ask them is, what does availability look like for those products in your local area? At the end of the day, rock salt is widely available anywhere it snows. The same can't be said for brine. A lot of snow contractors will use a brine supplier, but if you're located in a region where that's just not commonly available, you can mix your own using salt and water, but it does require dedicated mixing equipment and proper storage tanks. This added complexity and investment might be a limitation for some snow contractors. One of the biggest benefits of using brine is that a lot of landscape contractors use it to upsell or beat out other snow contractors in the area. Brine is super clean. It leaves sidewalks and those common areas outside looking really nice, which property managers really appreciate. Another unique benefit of brine is that when it comes to anti-icing before a winter storm, you really can't beat it. Because the salt is diluted into water, you get a really even spread across whatever surface you're spraying on. That means you're not left with little pockets of snow or ice on those sidewalks or pathways. If you're at a local bank or a hospital and you're doing anti-icing, a lot of times they're investing a lot of money into flora and fauna around the facility. So when you combine using less salt with Ventrac's precision sprayers, it really lessens the probability that you're going to harm these plants. Now let's explore rock salt. While brine is great for anti-icing, rock salt wins when it comes to treatment during heavy storms. One of the biggest benefits of rock salt is that it's just really simple. From a training perspective, especially if you're hiring new people in your fleet, more often than not, people have experience with rock salt. Whether they've thrown it on their own driveway or steps at their home, it's a simple application that really doesn't require a lot of training. Another neat benefit of using rock salt is that as you throw it down, you're also adding traction. Rock salt is also readily available. You can set up an account with a large supplier in your region that can sell it to you in bulk, or you can pick up bags at your local big box store. At the end of the day, with Ventrac, it really doesn't matter whether you choose brine or salt. Either way, the drop spreader or the brine kit will keep your sidewalks clear. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and feel free to give us a call so we can answer any other questions you may have on this topic. We would love to help you figure out what solution is best for you.